Here we go. Hello guys! Okay. Ano? Thank you Lord Jesus. Bakit madilim eh? Diyan natin para makita yung...
What do you think? Pretty good, huh?
Yeah. I think madilim. Kain tayo. Bago kami uwi. Bit-bit na namin ni Hani yung truck niya. This is natumba pag yun guys. Natumba. Napalid. Ilang yan. Kaon, kaon. Kaon guys. Kain tayo. Mango juice. Hindi ko pina-order si Honey ng 2 drinks. Isa lang. Share kami. Sayang. Mag-avoid tayo ng drinks na malamig. Marami. Lunch na mo, paniod to. Kaon sa mi before mi manguli sa balay.
Honey, did you get your hot sauce?
Na.
It's in the thing.
It's okay.
Want to try this one?
Did you get that hot tacos or the crunchy tacos?
I don't think so.
Ganito si My Love guys, panay subo no.
Like it?
Thank you for watching mga guys. I love you all. What?